The Gold Digger from Bounty Hunter, a quality metal detector with an affordable price tag. An easy-to-use metal detector for adults and kids alike. Find valuable buried metal objects almost anywhere, even your own backyard. But the adventure doesn't stop there. The Gold Digger is perfect for the beach, parks, and fields. The trash eliminator control eliminates detection of most unwanted targets, while the power level control maximizes depth of detection. Small objects, like coins, can be detected up to 6 inches deep. Larger targets can be detected much deeper. The Gold Digger operates on 2 9-volt batteries and comes with headphones and an easy-to-understand user's manual. Bounty Hunter Gold Digger. What will you find? Bounty Hunter Jr., a professional quality metal detector in a junior size. Comfortable, easy to use metal detector, ideal for treasure hunters 6 years old and up. Find valuable buried metal objects like coin, historical artifacts, and gold and silver almost anywhere, even your own backyard. But the adventure doesn't stop there. The 6.5-inch search coil is perfect for treasure hunting at the beach. Set the eliminator control to eliminate detection of iron and most unwanted targets, while the power control maximizes the depth of detection. Small objects like coins can be detected up to 5 inches deep. Larger targets can be detected much deeper. The Bounty Hunter Jr. operates on 2 9-volt batteries and comes with an easy-to-understand user's manual. The Bounty Hunter Jr. What will you find? Visit detecting.com.